Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can uninstall applications in Windows 11 by just following the three methods that we will be showing here in this video. So the first method is to uninstall via Start Menu Search. So to do that, simply go to your Windows Search tab and there you need to type the name of the application that you want to uninstall. For example, Google Chrome. Now, once the application that you have just or that you want to be uninstalled appeared, all you need to do is just to click on this uninstall button here in the right pane. And if you're not seeing the uninstall button, you can just simply make a right click in the application and then click on this uninstall button here and then confirm an installation in the following screen. So that is the first method. The second method is to uninstall via settings, and we can go to settings by making a right click here in the Windows icon and selecting settings option. Now, once you're in the settings option, all you need to do is just to proceed to the apps option here in the left pane and then proceed with installed apps. Now, here in this section, you will be seeing all the applications that you have installed in your Windows 11 devices, and each application has corresponding three dot icon. So once you hover your cursor into that three dot icon, you will see there more options. So please make a click on that and you will see their uninstall button. Now if you click on this uninstall button, it will uninstall the application, and that is the second method for uninstalling the application in our Windows 11 devices. The third method is to uninstall via control panel. So let us just close this one. So let us please open first control panel by making a search here in the Windows search tab. Type control and you will get under best match the control panel option. So please make a click on that to open. And here we need to type and select control panel. We have already done that. So here in the control panel option, we need to ensure category view is enabled. And if not, then just go to this view by option, select this category option here. And then we need to find the application from the list. So please click on this programs option and then click on programs and features. And then here you can now uninstall or change a program in this section. All you need to do is just to make a right click on the application that you want to be uninstalled. And then you will see there the uninstall button. So if you click on this one, the application will now be uninstalled. And just do the same thing with all the other applications that you want to be uninstalled. So that is the third step. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.